Good morning, Paris. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm gonna prefer it be good night when you get to watch a little vlog here. It is another beautiful day. It's Friday, the 22nd of March. You see how fast March I come down. Happy spring to you all. Spring starts. Yeah. The coolness I go break now. You know, gradually it might not fully. Some of us want to say to you, I'm so happy that the cold, the blunt of the cold is like slowly passing. I'm happy for you all. You see how me I sweat me in the bathroom? I'm leaving for the road. So I'm going to turn on the AC. And then every day I turn on the AC. I turn it on especially for videoing. And you know, don't know, we have to make sure so you monitor the bell. You know what I'm saying? So how are you doing this morning? I hope you're having a blessed morning. Make sure you're laughing. Make sure you talk to somebody who are going to lift your spirit today, you know. Make sure you hook up, link up with somebody that will lift your spirit. If you're feeling down, you lay down on the bed and you not even have the energy to get up, try pull it out, man. Pull up yourself. Have a glass of room temperature water. Go walk a little. Go run around the block a little. Get some fresh air in your lungs. Muse on something that is good. You know? Call upon Father God. Ask him, you know? For just come in. Rope him in. From the east, from the west, from the north and from the south. And ask him to give you the strength. You saw me I say? Down days, they will be there. But sometimes, we gotta perk ourselves up. We have struggles, we have things. I do have them too. But you know, if it is just this I can do to perk you up, you know, try to have a good day. And as I said before, make sure you surround yourself with some vibrant people. People that are, you know, want to take your place. It's not people who are trying to drag you down. You see what I'm saying? So I'm about to hit the road right now. Gonna make a few stops. I've got to come back in due season because I'm expecting a delivery and all of that. So me I go head for the road. We have to jump around fast, you know, because it's the month end, baby. These people that work, what we call them again, me don't remember. The people, the government workers and all of that, them have one name, you know, but me don't remember. During the vlog, me try remember them name. They've gotten their pay and everybody a jump on for paying with like a 1 month end pay, yeah? And if you are one of them, because sometimes when the month end pay they come just like a play day, because the bills, your budget out, and when you budget, you know, everything done. You know, but look here, buy yourself something nice, squeeze and buy yourself something nice, feel good, and look here, fight the fight, hold the faith, because look here, your joy is coming, your day, your joy is coming. But I want to tell you something, you know. Nobody lose focus, you know. Open your eyes, open your ears, be vigilant, be wise, focus on your prize giving day, and make sure you're attending your prize giving. Make sure when your name is called, you are going to collect your prize. Because I'm going to tell you something, baby. If you don't make sure so you're alert, you know, somebody's there to come and collect it. So me I go head for the road, me I go put on the coverage. If you're doing that, make sure you put on the coverage for going out, the coverage for a while being out there, the coverage for a while coming back. Put it on for yourself and for your friend. Not do it selfishly, you know. Put it on for your neighbor, put it on for your neighbor's kids, for your kids, everybody. Put it on collectively and put it on individually. So me I say, so look here. When I can up on the road, I check in back with you know, and I couldn't know where I go on. See? I'm first stopping on the meat market today. You know, hold me up, hold the camera, and everybody, where I go on, you see? Oh, where I go on? Yeah. And I have video, you man. Only me I wait for. So, well, go on, see me butcher here. You want to come video? You want to come video with me? You could do that. Yeah.
You want a coconut cut?
I want a coconut. I don't want to cut up too big, you know.
And them small?
Nah, yeah. Let me see that. No cut it up no bigger onion. Me cut it up. Me cut it up further. So I'm going to butcher that in the fire. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be a strong thing with the pan. Eh? I have camp working here.
No? I get that.
Yeah, I get campo. So this is for me and you. And this is me and your thing. How much this? Right, that's right, a bill. That's right. I don't have to think then. No, O'Neil, come on.
7.
How much about people card? Alright. So me I go now like right round the meat shop. Alright. I might look at this sit down still. Crossroad meat market. Yeah, you know, some of buy my thing. I see out for half a tree road, I see the bus them a pass. I go in a crossroad. Yeah. Look to the people there. And then so I can see and that. Yep. So the thing. Then so I'm in one different location now, Paris. But I'm on the grounds of the National Water Commission. It's at the office over there. So I don't know if you know see it, you know. Just pay one bill and come out. So I go do some whole heap of walking, you know. Because I go to one lady in the office part. Not in the pay, so our pay bill is different, you know, as opposed to, you know, they have different sections. So I had one whole long walking. So Marsca Road out there, so I'm Marsca Road here. LBS are there right over there, so I'm on Water Commission premises there now. You know if I can video. So I go right around where you see them whole pack. I don't know if you can see them. But hope you can see them because that's the woman now going good. Rush front where them whole pack tractor there. I go to one lady, I go do a bag of walking yes now. As that other thing. So if I had driven, then I could have drive go around to her. I'm not going to drive her right now, so that's it. I decided there. So next from here, I know we see which part me there again. See it? So Paris me there on the move to the slide road. Say across the road and so okay, credit union. Next part up the road up the singer. Alright, so now I'm there. But the afterwards. I'm going to afterwards, you know, so I can't do no vlogging in there. So I'm going to know, I don't know where it go. Go see what I go on in there and all of that. So she said up here look movements so they're on the day I do so. As soon as everything free. See? I reached the supermarket to the exact samples across the road. I just them have inside of the trolley. There's 2 local drinks and I see them. Yeah, 2 local drinks there. But I reach them to see them better. And I'm trying to look for something, but it looks like them have it inside there. Something or just a drink, but I don't see it. So inside there, so no, I'm not really grocery shopping. I'm not shop now. I'm not doing grocery shopping here right now. Just stop to pick up something. So nice one. So so right, look like the Easter thing. I don't know. I don't know if it start. No, I'm not really started. Around the biscuit aisles. But I'm not really about bread now, no biscuit. I think the Easter thing turn up, but in the turn up paper, and it turn up me sure. I'm going to the supermarket, make sure with the big bun. Then I start to put the big Easter bun inside that. So I'm looking for that drink, but I'm not seeing it. So probably I might just, I want to reach back home and not go somewhere. And all of that. Looking for a drink. I'm going to look if them have it in the fridge cold food. But the cold them keep the cold juice. Right here, salt butter. There's some Mexican, something like that cheese. The price then, I never know what I go on this. So I haven't seen that drink that I'm looking for. I got a cold fridge here tonight. I'm looking for this drink, but I'm looking for the one in the can, which is taller. Let me see it. So I might have to resort to something different. So when we reach back home, let me see. Alright, because I'm not seeing what I want and I'm not really shopping. So when we reach back home. Okay, Paris? Paris, I am back home in the kitchen. I am back. But a long time I come back, I just come back. But I was so drained because the sun. I just try to rinse off my face. You can't see the sleeping on the same way. And I just start to sweat. So I just bathe me just like a while ago. Just, you know, chip in the AC because it's hot. I don't even understand the temperature sitting there. It's a phone night and going so good enough with my have. But look here. It is hot and I'm there. So I just rinse my face to come on the camera. I couldn't go with my sour face. But you can hear the sleep in my voice. I just had to go sleep. I just had to go to sleep. So I just didn't get the drink that I want, and I came home. I come home and I have something. I didn't even have much. I just got something cold to drink and I went back to sleep. Yeah, your girl, go back and get some. And I put snap that I put sleep. My sleep, it wasn't a nap. I feel like I still sleep, but the eat was in the house, so I forget up. So yes, I am up and I am back home and I'm giving the Lord thanks. This might not be the best, most entertaining vlog, but me know you all will accept it. That's how it got today, just so it go. Sorry. So I just want to say to you, I hope you're having a blessed weekend and you're taking it slow. Make sure surround yourself with people that will, if it's even not joke them with you, just even say something to you to make you laugh. Just send us like a funny thing to you to make you laugh. You know what I say? You know, so today I go to pay there, and when you check out stock, you start to stress out your body and think, just take it slow. You hear? If it is that thing's not going right, weeping may endure for a night, but joy cometh in the morning. You know what I say? Take it slow. Take it easy. Bless upon yourself. Love upon yourself more. Love upon yourself. Laugh. Find something to laugh about. You know? Not surround yourself with too much of the negativity. The pop down this, you know. And people just that love to make a mountain out of nothing. Just that me I say to you know. You know, I go see me again for the weekend, you know. But before me check out, me go flip the camera here and me I go show you something. See? I want to share something with you before I, you know, end this vlog. Because I'm gonna end it right here, right now, camera girl. Soon come from school now, and I want to share something with you. And I want to say something to you. I just want to say thank you so much for your love and for your support. Look here, me I go flip the camera here. I'm going to show you something. See? Okay, now I went and I picked up this package for camera girl. She bought something online, and you know, it came to one of them places that like ship me. It wasn't ship me, but I went and I picked it up for her. Now it's a garment. I know you will see it in the near future. I won't open it either until she comes, and if you know, when she opens it, she's probably not gonna, you know, you guys will see it sometime. So now Pari, this is how custom checked it. They use their knife to slit it right there. It's also in a next clear bag, and they slit. You can see it. Them slit the bag too. I hope so now see it. See there? And you see the clear bag, them slit it too. So I was trying to look through. I don't move it anymore. I was really trying to look through it to see if the garment was damaged. But I'm not sure. I'm waiting until camera girl come, then she will check it. So I'm thinking, Pari, that is so unprofessional of customs to really check a piece of garment like that. And then they charge for it too. This is, look at this. Look at this. What do you say about this, Pari? What would you have to say about this? This is really, I think this is really, really unprofessional. And yes, so no sister a fashion over. As a camera girl she at. You know, just sharing this with you. Have you ever experienced anything like this? I'm telling you. It's really, to me, what do you think? Comment please. Okay family, so now that you have seen, I want you to comment how you think. Do you think it was like a real sloppy job? Why did you have to slit it right there? Well, camera girl is home now and she has taken it out. I'll be jigging and dancing behind the camera, and I'm just trying to end the video with she videoing me now. So it's okay. So we give thanks, say it's okay. But even though it was okay, I think that was just sloppy. What do you think? Please comment. but we share it in the comment section. Have you ever experienced anything like that? So I'm about to close off now. You want to say good evening to the party?
Good evening, guys.
Yes, you're she happy. So family, make sure you laugh, as I said before quite a few times in the video. And we're going to be closing out now. Never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things. And my girl can't tell you, because she full her face with fudge.